If you're looking for the best water bladder hydration options, you're in the perfect spot. Whether you're hiking, cycling, camping, or just staying hydrated during a long run, a reliable water bladder can make all the difference. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 water bladder hydration products on the market, discussing their features, benefits, and why they're worth considering. We've carefully researched hundreds of products to save you the time and effort, so you don't have to dig through endless options to find the best. Stick around as we break down each product's pros and cons, helping you make an informed decision for your next adventure. And don't forget to check out the links in the video description to grab your favorite product today. Let's get started with our reviews. Number 5. UTOBEST Hydration Bladder 2 liters Water Reservoir Bag TPU BPAA Free Leak-Proof Wide Opening for Running, Hiking, Cycling, Camping. This 2 liters water bladder stands out for its durable TPU material that ensures leak-proof performance and longevity. It's lightweight at just 220 grams and can handle temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for any outdoor condition. The wide opening makes filling and cleaning a breeze, while the transparent design allows you to monitor water levels easily. Its unisex design is suitable for any adventurer. Number 4. AONIJIE SD51 Water Reservoir Water Bladder Hydration Pack Storage Bag BPAA Free 1 liter, 1.5 liters, 2 liters, 3 liters Running Hydration Vest Backpack. This versatile bladder offers multiple size options, 1 liter to 3 liters, to cater to your hydration needs. Made of high-quality TPU, it's BPA-free and safe for prolonged use. The lightweight design, starting at just 120 g, is a major plus for runners and hikers who need to minimize bulk. With a temperature tolerance from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, this bladder is suitable for all weather conditions. Number 3. AXEN 1 liter/2 liters Water Reservoir for Pocket TPU Hydration Bladder Water Bag for Hiking, Running, Camping, Cycling Water Pouch. The AXEN Hydration Bladder is compact and simple, perfect for short adventures or minimalist setups. Its TPU construction ensures safety and durability, while its lightweight design is easy to carry. The 1 liter capacity is ideal for those who prefer a smaller reservoir, though it might not be enough for longer activities. Number 2. UTOBEST 1.5 liters/2 liters/3 liters Water Bladder Hydration Pack Reservoir TPU Water Storage Bag for Camping, Cycling, Running, Hiking. This product is a versatile choice, offering capacities of 1.5 liters, 2 liters, and 3 liters to suit your specific needs. It's crafted from high-quality TPU, free of harmful chemicals, and features excellent temperature resistance, -20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. The lightweight design at 250 grams makes it a reliable choice for hikers, cyclists, and campers. Number 1. Sport TPU Water Bladder 2 liters, 2.5 liters, 3 liters with 100 cm Drinking Pipe Profession Version Hydration Backpack Water Bag Cycling AVA 256. The top pick combines practicality and innovation. Available in 2 liters, 2.5 liters, and 3 liter sizes, it's made from durable TPU that's built to withstand a wide range of temperatures, -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. The 100 centimeters drinking pipe is perfect for on-the-go hydration, and the professional design ensures reliability even during intense activities. It's a great all-around choice for adventurers who need a dependable hydration solution